And then the crown jewel of the clutch, my favorite morph of snakes.
I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. For those that don't know me, I'm Chris Graham, owner of SFB Exotics. We have a pretty cool day today. I was going to show you some clutches of snake eggs that have hatched. But before I do that, this morning started out pretty cool because one of our snakes just laid another clutch of eggs. So I'm going to show you guys that. I'm going to pull that clutch now. You guys can watch that. I'm going to set up an egg box. I have a lot to do today, so I'm going to try and get through all this stuff pretty quick. So let's check out the snake. All right, so what do you guys think? How many were in there? I think quick glance, might have been like maybe 6. I didn't really stop and count it, but start making your guesses now. We're gonna go set up an egg box. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Some people kind of find this pretty interesting. So what we're gonna do is we have an incubator that's already set up. There are clutches of eggs in the incubator. So we have to add this one to the incubator as well. But the eggs have to go into a box, and that box goes in the incubator. So I'm gonna show you how I set that up. It's kind of idiot-proof in a way. So let's get to it. I'll show you what we do. So this is our box. It's just a small Rubbermaid. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this stuff here as a bag from Home Depot. It's called Perlite, or you can get vermiculite. It's basically the same thing. It's just little like white granules. People put that in their garden. It's designed to just hold moisture. These little granules suck up the water and hold the moisture in there. So all we're trying to do is get these egg boxes to have a lot of humidity in them. So we're gonna fill this thing up about this high with perlite. I'm gonna have to put the camera down to do this, but let's put it in. All right, so about that much. The next thing we're gonna do is, this comes from Home Depot. It's called light diffuser. It's like those things you see up in the ceiling tiles with like lights, you know? So you just cut it. It comes in a 4x8 sheet. Just cut it to fit, plop it in there. What we're gonna do is just put water in here. It doesn't matter how much, you don't have to measure it. Some people like to take their eggs and they make a perfect ratio of water to vermiculite, and then they just kind of nestle the eggs in here too. But if you put too much water, you could drown the eggs. Not enough, you could dry them out. So one way you can eliminate all that is to just do this, and it solves the problem. Now the eggs won't get too moist. All right, so we just put the water in. You really can't see it, but the water level is up to about like right in here. And then we have our lid. What I do is just put some duct tape on here, and I will write down the pairing. We can do that now. All right, so the mom is a pastel pet clown, bred to, super Enchi, banana, pet clown, laid, 6/26, hatch, and that's all you really need. All right, so next thing we do is I just set up a new clean tub. So what I'll do is pull her off the eggs, I'll put her in this tub, and then put her into a new slot also. So it's all clean, it gets rid of the smell of the eggs.
Nice clutch.
There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Just make sure they're not touching the sides. Voila.
Gosh, you're learning things.
Now a little press and seal over the top, help hold that moisture in there. All right, so this is now going in the incubator, and let's take a look at some of the babies that just hatched a couple days ago. All right, so this is from the first clutch. This is a pastel GHI, was the female. So the only two genes that you would have seen were pastel and GHI. This is just a pastel. But it's also double het for hypo and pied. You can see all the pied marks, pied tracks down here, really nice. And so here's a pastel GHI, and then the same thing, this one also. So pastel GHIs that are both hypopied, or het for hypopied. One of these we'll be keeping for ourselves. So the other two males will be available. So two of them are available, two, and one of them is mine. And then these are the females. We'll just confirm that. So female normal, double het, hypo and pied. And none of these have shed yet, so their colors are a little bit dull, but another female, double het, hypo pied. You can see all the tracks, the pied tracks. And we'll confirm it's a female. Yep, that's a female too. And then this female pastel. That's het for hypopied, so all these are double hets. Oh, this is a boy. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a male. So male pastel. And then let's check this last one here. Female. So this is a female pastel GHI. This one's really pretty. And then she's also double het, hypopied. So all of these are for sale also. Okay, so this is the clutch that I was most excited about. And so this is a pastel clown bred to a super enchy banana het clown. Everything in here is going to be enchy also. So this is a pastel, this is only 3 eggs. Pastel enchy. So pretty. You can see it's enchy by that head stamp. So let's check the sex on this one. This is a boy. So male pastel enchy. Het clown, 100% het clown. So the father was the banana. This is really, really pretty. So this is a enchy banana, het clown, and it's a female, which is very unusual when the male is a banana. So this is pretty awesome that this came out a female. And then the crown jewel of the clutch, my favorite morph of snakes, pastel enchy banana clown. All the genes wrapped up into one.
So pretty.
Look at the head on that thing.
Do you think she knows how pretty she is?
Yeah, you could tell she's a diva. And that's a boy.
It's a boy. He's still a diva.
He's still a diva.
Damn, daddy.
I'll show you the father of that clutch. Oh no, this isn't the father. This isn't the father. So this is the super enchy. And you can see how enchy eliminates all the black spots. It only has a couple black spots. So super enchy banana het clown is the dad. And then if you want to see what that baby's gonna look like as an adult, look at this. This is the same as the baby.
amazing. Brother.
So that's pretty much it. So today was exciting. We woke up, we had a clutch of 7 eggs, and then our 2 clutches that just came out of the eggs. They do have to shed out still, so once they shed, they're gonna look amazing. Maybe we'll cut another video too, because especially with that clown clutch, they're gonna look really nice once they're fully shed. And then once they shed, we're gonna start putting some meals in them. Once they've had about 3 to 4 meals, they start to get closer to about 100 grams, and we can actually tell that they're thriving on their own. Then we'll be able to put them up for sale. But if one of these strikes your eye and you're interested in one of these babies, hit me up. We can always put a deposit on one and hold it and put it aside for you too. So if you're interested in one of these, just let me know. But having hypo and pied, hets on all of those, I think is going to be amazing. We also do have some other babies that are Mojave and hypo, and they're het for pied. So we could pair up a male and a female for you if you want, and get you some pretty awesome babies coming up pretty soon. But that's pretty much it. That's it for today's episode. Thank you guys for tuning in. Got a lot to do today, so we are heading out. I will catch you guys next vlog. Peace out, everybody.